Nike Dunk Low Next Nature to Crimson. Nike is bringing back its eco-friendly Next Nature series with Dunk Low Light Crimson. This release reflects Nike's ongoing focus on sustainability, blending classic design with eco-conscious materials. The sneaker features a clean white leather base for a fresh look, bold light crimson overlays, liners, laces, and outsoles create striking contrast, adding a vintage vibe. The coconut milk swoosh and tongue tag stand out. A sail-tinted midsole finishes the retro-inspired style. Crafted with recycled materials, this Dunk Low is stylish and environmentally responsible. Set to release in spring 2025, Fennec Dunk Low Next Nature Light Crimson will be available at select Nike sportswear retailers. You can find it both in store and online at Nike.com. The sneaker comes in women's sizing with a retail price of $115 USD.